As of now, this channel only has 433 subscribers. But I'd say it's changed our life. Long story short, I just got laid off from a job I had for almost 8 years. Honestly, I'm still processing what exactly that means. But surprisingly, this little YouTube channel has helped me get through it.
So we thought we'd make a video about the story of how YouTube changed our life.
But also offer some advice for other new creators out there with our top 3 things we wish we knew when we first started out making videos. How YouTube changed our life. Marissa and I started posting videos essentially as a way to share videos from our travels. We didn't intend to be content creators or vloggers. YouTube was essentially just a way to store our memories. I've always been interested in photography. Because of this, I've always carried cameras along on our journeys. But we realized there was a lot we were missing from our trips by just taking photos. So we started filming. At first, they were just short snippets I'd film with a GoPro. Then that turned into filming some travel hacking how-to videos. It wasn't until our recent trip to the Maldives that we really started to put some more effort into our YouTube channel. This was a bucket list destination for us. And we wanted to not only preserve our memory of it, but also share our experience with others. So when we got back, I started editing the videos after work and on the weekends. It was then that I realized I really enjoyed the process. Not just filming, but editing the videos, learning how to post on YouTube, and analyzing the data. But it was definitely hard to focus on the channel when I was also working full-time. Then the layoff happened, and I suddenly had a whole lot of spare time on my hands. While I could have spiraled into depression and anxiety, I immediately turned my attention to this YouTube channel. It was a distraction, but also a way for me to still feel productive.
While 433 subscribers might not be a lot, it means a lot to us. We're grateful to have even one person watch our videos. Just this morning, we had someone comment on one of our Maldives videos, thanking us for the information and how useful it was for them in planning their upcoming trip to the Maldives at the same resort we stayed at.
Even if it's only 1 or 2 people, having a positive impact and helping others with our videos is what we set out to do. So, now that I have some extra time to focus on the channel, what does that mean? Am I becoming a full-time content creator now? To be honest, I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely inspired to do more with this channel.
And after a lot of conversations, of course, whatever you decide and how far you want to take this, obviously I support you. And this has definitely been a long time coming.
You'll likely start seeing more videos of us trying new things. Marissa does still work full-time, so you might just see my face on some of the upcoming videos.
But I will definitely still be a part of this channel and will continue to be in videos and vlogs in the future. And speaking of the future, we have some amazing trips on the horizon. So if you want to see those videos when they go live and support us on our YouTube journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's a small thing, but it really, really does help us keep going.
Our advice for new YouTubers. While we're by no means experts when it comes to YouTube content creation, we have learned a few things along the way and want to help out other creators that are also starting out. So here are our top 3 things we wish we knew before starting a YouTube channel.
Tip number 1, you're gonna suck at first, and that's okay. When we started, we had a lot of hesitation, mainly around whether our content would be interesting on YouTube, whether our filming or editing would be good enough. And the answer is, it wasn't. But that's how everybody starts. Everyone sucks when they first start doing this. You learn as you go, and I really wish someone had told us that when we started. Just start filming and post videos. It will get easier.
Tip number 2, stop caring what others think. Both Marissa and myself are extremely introverted and shy people. We struggle a lot with filming ourselves in public. We constantly worry about what others are thinking when they see us talking to a camera. But then a realization hit. Nobody cares. Most people don't even notice that you're filming. And if they do, they likely don't care enough to judge you for doing it. And if they do stare and laugh, who cares?
Yeah.
They're strangers, and you likely will never see these people again in your life. And our final tip is be yourself. When we first started, We tried really hard to be professional and composed whenever we hit the record button for our videos. What we quickly discovered when we watched back the footage was that this looked really unnatural. You need to just be yourself, and that will make your videos feel way more authentic to the viewer. If you're weird and awkward, be weird and awkward in your videos.
Lord knows we are.
For sure. That sums up our journey so far on YouTube, and I'm really excited to see where this takes us, right?
So excited.
We really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today, and I hope it helped inspire you if you're also thinking about starting a YouTube channel. If you like this video today, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.